Is Rocket Money free? Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, is a popular financial management app that helps users track expenses, manage subscriptions, and budget more effectively. While it advertises free features, many potential users wonder about the true cost. This guide breaks down Rocket Money's pricing structure, features, and limitations to clarify what is free and what requires payment. 1. Overview of Rocket Money. Rocket Money is a personal finance app designed to simplify money management. It helps users track spending, manage subscriptions, and optimize savings. The app connects securely to bank accounts to provide real-time insights into financial habits. 2. Free features available. Rocket Money offers a free tier with several useful tools for basic financial management, including subscription tracking, automatically identifies recurring payments. Spending Insights provides a categorized breakdown of expenses. Budgeting tools helps users set and monitor budget goals. Bill reminders sends notifications for upcoming payments. These free features cater to users seeking fundamental financial awareness. 3. Paid features premium subscription. Rocket Money also provides premium services through a pay-what-you-want model, with fees ranging from $4 to $12 per month. Premium membership unlocks smart savings, automates savings transfers, customizable categories, more control over expense categorization, subscription cancellation. Concierge, Rocket Money will cancel subscriptions on your behalf. Priority support, faster responses from customer service. 4th, bill negotiation fees. Rocket Money offers bill negotiation services to reduce recurring expenses like internet, cable, and phone bills. However, this service is not free. If Rocket Money successfully lowers a bill, it charges 40% to 60% of the annual savings as a one-time fee. 5. Security and privacy considerations. Rocket Money uses bank-level encryption and read-only access to protect sensitive information. It does not store login credentials and is safe to use for budgeting and subscription tracking. 6. Common user complaints and concerns. While Rocket Money is widely regarded as helpful, some users have voiced concerns about confusion regarding premium pricing due to the sliding fee scale, high fees for bill negotiation despite the savings achieved, occasional account syncing issues with smaller banks or financial institutions. 7. How to use Rocket Money for free. Stick to the basic tier for budgeting and subscription tracking. Manually cancel subscriptions instead of using the concierge service. Avoid bill negotiation services if you prefer to retain all savings. Conclusion: Rocket Money is free for basic financial tracking, budgeting, and subscription monitoring. However, premium features, bill negotiation, and concierge services come with costs. Users seeking advanced insights or automated services should expect monthly fees or performance-based charges for bill savings.